How are high-performance running shoes made? Step inside a modern sports shoes factory to discover the complete manufacturing journey. Every great running shoe begins with carefully selected premium materials. Advanced inspection systems ensure only the highest quality materials enter production. AI-guided cutting machines shape every shoe component with remarkable precision. Precision stitching transforms individual parts into a durable performance shoe upper. Structural reinforcement gives every running shoe the strength needed for peak performance. Lightweight EVA midsoles are molded for comfort, stability, and performance. Controlled cooling preserves the exact shape of every midsole. Precision trimming prepares each component for flawless assembly. High-traction rubber outsoles are engineered for durability and grip. Advanced robotic bonding transforms separate components into a complete running shoe. AI inspection verifies every running shoe meets strict performance standards. Final assembly completes the comfort and fit of every shoe. Robotic finishing prepares each pair for professional quality testing. Every shoe is tested to withstand the demands of real-world performance. Precision engineering transforms premium materials into high-performance running shoes. Every finished pair is carefully packaged for safe delivery. Robotic palletizing prepares thousands of shoes for global shipping. Smart warehouse automation keeps inventory organized and ready to move. Advanced logistics ensure every shipment leaves on schedule. From the factory floor, every pair begins its journey to athletes everywhere. Smart distribution systems deliver running shoes with speed and precision. Every pair is prepared to help runners perform at their best. Precision engineering comes to life with every step. Modern manufacturing keeps production moving around the clock. Every finished shoe reflects the perfect balance of innovation, comfort, and craftsmanship. Innovation begins long before a new running shoe reaches production. Advanced testing ensures every design delivers lasting performance. One factory creates footwear for every type of runner. Every department works together as one intelligent manufacturing system. As one production cycle ends, the next begins without stopping. Finished running shoes begin their journey to athletes across the country. Intelligent logistics keep every shipment moving with precision. Every pair is displayed and prepared for the next runner. True performance begins the moment the first step is taken. Modern technology and skilled craftsmanship work together every single day. Every detail reflects precision, innovation, and exceptional craftsmanship. Thousands of running shoes leave this factory every single day. Modern automation keeps every stage connected with remarkable efficiency. Behind every finished pair lies an extraordinary manufacturing journey. Thanks for exploring the complete journey inside a modern sports shoes factory.